Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to apply winged eyeliner. Literally, this is my new obsession. I've been doing winged eyeliner for years and I kind of stopped doing it just because I got lazy because it takes so long. And so I was so excited because I just discovered this WIngLiner Stamp by Vogue Effects. Literally takes 2 seconds. I wish I knew about this a long time ago because I've had many disaster makeup fails of me, screwing up, not having it even, having a whole mess on my face where I have to redo my makeup. Literally all of those struggles that you may go through will literally go away with this simple product. Each pack comes with 2 different pens, one for the right eye and then one for the left eye. So you get 2 pens in one pack, and then each pen has like 2 different sides of the pen. So obviously you have the stamp, which is just the wing stamp, and then you have the pen. The WIngLiner stamps come in 2 different sizes, 8mm and 10mm. Size that I use for this video is 10mm. The first step is prep, and basically that's just applying your eyeshadow or whatever you want to do until you get up to the point where you want to apply your liquid eyeliner. And once you've finished your eyeshadow, you're just going to take one of your pens. You're going to see which pen it is, the left or the right, and you're going to stamp, and basically you just line it up to where you want the wing to be or how high you want it, and you just literally stamp it right on your face, just like a little stamp. And then for the third step, obviously self-explanatory, you take the pen and you just fill in the rest of the line of your liner, and there you have it. Like literally, it's so simple, so easy. Look at how perfect that looks. Like, I do have a 15% off code if you guys want to use it. It's Dani15, so you'll get 15% off your stamp. Again, the stamp that I used in this video was the 10mm. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys want some more makeup videos, I'm definitely down to bring some makeup videos back because I just really loved doing this one and it kind of inspired me to do more. That's it for this video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media links. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!